Hollywood Happenings reporting from the Arizona State University campus at the Vista del Sol. It's about 3 miles away. There's a train fire and bridge collapse over the Tempe Town Lake at Rio Salado Parkway, which is closed, near Farmer and Mill Avenue. The Tempe Police, Phoenix Fire Department, along with the Tempe Fire Department, is fighting this fire. As you can see, the A Mountain. Right there is the A Mountain. And that is a fire, a train fire over the town lake. Stay with Hollywood Happenings. Check us out on Facebook, on our live feed for more detailed information, our watch party, or Hollywood Happenings live across America. Stay with Hollywood Happenings for the latest. Again, this is Karen. We're reporting live from Hollywood Happenings. Stay tuned for more of the latest breaking news.